Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the phone app and locating the number you want to stop. Tap the contact or recent entry to open details. This gives you control options. Once you see the three-dot menu or more button, tap it. This is where blocking lives. Make sure you are on the exact entry, not a call log alias, so you don't block the wrong contact. After tapping more, get ready to choose block. That's the actionable step that prevents calls and texts. Once you select block or block/report spam, the phone asks for confirmation. Tap confirm because this enforces the rule. You should then open call settings block list to verify the number appears. Once done, toggle related options like block unknown/private numbers if you want broader protection. Make sure to also check messages app settings to confirm blocked numbers are prevented from texting. This middle step ensures both call and SMS. Finish by double-checking the block list that the entry is present. This final verification closes the loop. If calls or messages still come through, restart the phone. Sometimes changes need a reboot to take full effect. If you mistakenly block someone, go back to the same list and choose unblock. That restores normal contact. Troubleshooting tip: if restarting fails, clear phone app cache in Settings Apps Phone, then reboot, because stale cache can prevent the block from applying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.